Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon. It's right here, looks like this, the circle with the line inside of it. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon should change the color, and also it should say Do Not Disturb. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. Also, you can say that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by this icon on the watch face at the top of the screen. So that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to disable it, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon will change the color and will say Do Not Disturb, and also this icon will disappear from the watch face. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the settings. So we can open the settings on our watch by swiping up from the bottom of the screen, tapping on the settings icon. In settings we can find the option called notifications, tap on it. Here find the option called Do Not Disturb, and to enable the mode simply tap on the switch, and if you want to disable it, simply tap on the switch again. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.